Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to add and edit pictures in CapCut. Whether you want to spice up your videos with a photo overlay or give your images a professional touch, by the end of this video, you'll feel confident pulling off picture edits that look fantastic. Let's jump right in, and I'll guide you through each step, making sure you understand not just how, but why it all works. First things first, let's talk about how to add pictures. You'll want to start a new project in CapCut. Just open the app and begin a fresh video project, or feel free to open one you've already started if you're continuing previous work. Think of this project as your digital canvas, starting with a blank slate or an ongoing masterpiece. You'll be adding your image right where you want it. Now, to import your picture, look at the bottom of your CapCut screen for the Overlay menu. Tap Add Overlay. This is CapCut's way of letting you stack images or videos on top of your main footage. It's super useful if you want your photo to appear as part of the video, not just stuck in the background. After you tap it, you should see a Photos tab at the top. Go ahead and browse your camera roll, pick the picture you want to use, and select it. If you're working on the desktop version, you can actually drag and drop a photo from your computer's File Explorer straight into CapCut's timeline. It's quick, convenient, and feels a lot like pinning photos onto a digital bulletin board. Once you tap Add, your photo appears as a new layer on top of your video timeline. You'll see it as a separate strip, kind of like placing a sticky note on your workspace, where you can move it around independently of your video. It's super flexible and gives you lots of creative control from this point onward. Alright, let's move on to editing your pictures. In CapCut's preview window, you can click and hold the image to move it wherever you want. Want the picture to pop up in the corner or right smack in the center? Just drag it there. On your phone or tablet, you can pinch using 2 fingers to resize, zoom in, or shrink down the photo. Think of it almost like resizing a window on your computer. Just grab and adjust until it feels right. Take your time here. Positioning and sizing really affect how professional your final video looks. Next comes adjusting the duration. In the timeline, your photo clip's edges can be grabbed and stretched or shrunk. If you want your picture to appear only briefly, maybe as a quick flash of a meme or a highlight, pull the ends closer. Want it to linger while you talk? Extend it out. You can also click and drag the entire clip to move its start time, making the image pop up exactly when you need it in your video. Don't rush this part. A well-timed image can really enhance your viewer's experience. When the photo layer is selected, you'll notice a toolkit opens up at the bottom. This is your toolkit for making your image look its best. First up is Adjust, where you can tweak brightness, contrast, saturation, and much more. If your photo looks a little flat or too dark, don't worry. Just slide these controls until the image pops. It's a bit like adjusting ingredients in a recipe until it tastes perfect. If you want to speed up your process, try Filters. These let you instantly change the look and feel of your photo with preset color tweaks. Maybe you want a vintage vibe or something more vibrant. Filters make that one tap easy. CapCut also lets you change your image's size and aspect ratio, so no matter if your photo is tall, wide, or square, you can make sure it fits your video perfectly. The Retouch tool is especially handy for portraits. It smooths skin and enhances facial features automatically. And if you're looking to add a bit of motion, click on Animation. Here, you can choose how your picture enters and exits the screen, making your video feel more dynamic. Maybe the image could fade in gently or bounce out with a flourish. It's up to your style. Finally, if you decide you no longer need a picture, simply select it on the timeline and tap the delete or trash can icon. Don't worry. CapCut always makes it easy to undo, or redo, so experiment fearlessly. And that's a wrap on adding and editing pictures in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop any questions you have in the comments. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical CapCut tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.